arrived in Bali from Jakarta. Chapter 2, leg 2 of our trip begins now. Hope you're ready. George. Yeah.
Welcome to Bali.
Thank you. Alright, so we've arrived in Bali after our trip to Jakarta. We want to give a quick shout out to the Ungs for housing us. The trip to Jakarta was amazing. Awesome food and hospitality. Would definitely go again. But here we go. Okay, thank you. Terima kasih.
Yeah, see you next time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. What just happened? Now that's a way to check in.
This is your first time in Bali, sir?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Please.
Thank you.
We just came in to change before going to Legian Beach, and I was about to wash my hands. I looked down, I saw something crawling, so I just reflex stepped on it, thinking it was maybe a centipede or something. It's a baby lizard. And we're trying to get rid of it. Oh, it's dead. Oh, I killed a lizard!
Alright guys, first morning in Bali here at the Stones Hotel. Just had an awesome breakfast. Everything from dragon fruit to papaya to yellow watermelon, snake fruit, rambutan, and now what better way to start the morning than right here on a hammock, looking up at the palm trees. Today we're gonna head out and kick back on the beaches all the way till sunset.
George is famous. Famous.
Oh no!
Alright, can I get my picture now? Goddamn. Fucking.
They're too good looking. Kevin, last one, man. I've never felt more famous in my life.
This is the last one, George.
Alright, so we just got swarmed
Bombarded.
by probably 50 to 60 young girls who wanted selfies and pictures with
Divided
us.
by 3.
Probably 99% because of Kevin's abdominal muscles, and 1% my good looks. That felt like the paparazzi.
That was weird. I don't know if I liked it, to be honest.
kind of made my day. Alright, so we are currently at the top of Beachwalk, relatively new shopping center with a great view of the ocean and a lot of touristy eateries. There's some bintang stuff here, dude. Yeah. Alright, we just had our first haggling experience here in Indonesia. Got us 2 of the classic bintang beer tank tops for a really good price, only 50k rupiah, about $3 to $4.
That water is
Alright,
pretty.
we are on our way to our first beach club, hoping to catch the sunset tonight, get some drinks. Brought out the boutiques, you know, to fit in and look sexy. Seminyak to Kuta is our new favorite thing. Alright, it is 6 a.m. and the sun is just starting to rise. We just drove an hour from Kuta to Ubud to see the sunrise here at the Tegallalang Rice Terrace. And our journey begins bright and early today. Nobody's really here except for us, so hopefully we have the place to ourselves. But here's a quick view from above, and it is gorgeous.
That's me. Hi guys.
Alright guys, it's 7:30 a.m. now. We finished up most of our hike here, but definitely worth staying a little bit past sunrise. It's got a nice golden hue to everything, and I just want to show you this vantage point. Luckily for us, the rice is not harvested at this time of year. It's more so around April and October. So we've got a full green scene here, and getting here early with no one around definitely lend itself a lot of peace and, you know, a lot of good shots. So worth waking up in the morning. Alright, big news. Kevin got sunburnt for the first time in his life.
Guys.
Now he knows.
Oh,
Put on sunscreen. Right. This equator sun's no joke.
No joke. I'm dying right now. My whole back, shoulders, neck, forearms are done. I'm suffering. Ah.
We are looking good in our surrounds. We did not bring our swimsuits to go into the water, so unfortunately we probably won't get to experience this part. Finishing our walk along the Campuhan ridge. It's been a long, hot day. We got a lot done, and I think we're gonna call it a day and head back to Kuta, kick it back by the pool before heading to Seminyak for a nice dinner.